Hello everyone, welcome back to Selenium Framework series. In the last episode, we built our driver manager to centralize browser setup, so our code become cleaner and easier to manage. Now, in this episode, we are going to make our automation smarter by fixing one of the most common beginner's mistake, Thread.sleep. We will replace it with something much more powerful and flexible, the explicit wait using WebDriver wait. Before that, why we need this? Most beginners use Thread.sleep to pass the test, let's say for 5 seconds, but here is the problem. It always waits for full 5 seconds, even if your element appears after 1 second. That wastes time and makes your automation slower. Instead, we can make Selenium wait only until the element is ready, no longer, no shorter. That's what explicit wait do. Explicit wait or smart waits, they tell Selenium to keep checking until a specific condition is met. For example, the element is visible or clickable. If the condition is met earlier, the script moves on immediately. That makes our automation efficient and reliable. Step 1, we will create a WaitHelper class. Inside src main Java utils, let's create a new class called WaitHelper.java. This helper will let us wait until an element becomes visible or clickable instead of hard coding delays. Step 2, we will use WaitHelper in login test. Now let's go to a login test.java file under a test.java folder and use this WaitHelper instead of the .sleep. And that's it. We have completely removed the .sleep method and make our test faster and more stable. Think of explicit wait like standing in a queue. You don't want to wait for a fixed time. You wait until it's your turn. That's exactly how Selenium should behave, flexible and responsive, just like a real user. So the key takeaway is like we removed the .sleep from the test and introduced WaitHelper to handle all waits in one place and made our test faster, cleaner and smarter. The next episode we will introduce POM, which is a page object model, and finally we will start structuring our framework like a pro. Thank you.